So guys, welcome to our channel Killer Knowledge. In this video, we are going to look at some tricks and tips of an app which is mostly used in our daily life, and the name of the app is WhatsApp. Before we dive into the video, do consider hitting the subscribe button below. Without wasting your time, let me to start the video. Number 18. Sending messages without saving the number. For this, you need to search for an URL along with the number and the country code. You can search this in Google, Chrome or any search engine. On hitting the search button, you will be redirected to a WhatsApp page. And from here, you can directly text to that person. Number 17. Locking WhatsApp with your fingerprint. When you come to the account settings and hit on the privacy, you will find a fingerprint lock here. On switching this, it asks for the fingerprint. It will unlock with the same fingerprints which are used to unlock the mobile. Number 16. Taking the backup. When you come to chat settings, you can see a chat backup option at the last. Here you can include videos in your backup. Set the time of backup. For example, you can set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or only when you tap, or you may fix it to never. Number 15. Privacy settings. Come to account settings and hit on the privacy. Here you can modify anything as per your wish. You can modify details which other people can see about you. You can change the last scene to nobody, only my contacts, everyone. In the same manner, you can change profile photo, about and status. In the status, you can give contacts as per your wish. You may restrict it to some persons or exclude some persons from your contact list. Settings of groups are a bit similar like a status. Number 14. WhatsApp themes. You can change the way how the WhatsApp looks. You can change it to light, or you can change it to dark, or as a system default. System default means if your mobile is in dark mode, then the WhatsApp will turn the dark mode. Number 13. Font styles. You can send the message to any contact in bold by adding star symbols at the beginning and the end of the text. In strike through by adding these symbols at the beginning and the end of the text. You can send the message through spacing between letters by adding 3 single inverted commas at the beginning and the end of the text. You can send the message to anyone in italic format by adding these symbols. You can also combine one or more of the above so that it will have the combination of those formats in one message. Number 12. Chat background. Come to the chat settings and select the wallpaper. You can download WhatsApp wallpaper library from the Play Store, or you can use your gallery pictures, or you can use any solid color. These are all the images which are available in WhatsApp library. You can select any of them as per your choice. Number 11. Changing message font size. Come to chat settings. Here hit on the font size. You can change it to small, medium and large. The changes will be reflected in chat page. I think it is better to leave this to medium as per my opinion, because this will give ugly interface at the chat page. Number 10. Read receipts. When you come to the account settings and hit on the privacy, you can see the read receipts option here. Turning read receipts off will lead to disabling the sender to see blue ticks when we see the message. But there is a disadvantage with this feature. When you send the message to anyone, even you cannot know whether the message is seen by receiver or not. Number 9. Starring a message. On holding message for a while, we can see that different types of options are displayed here. On hitting the star icon, the message will be starred. For looking the starred messages, you need to come here. You can see all types of starred messages here. Very few members are concerned about this feature. This is very useful as per my opinion. On hitting the starred message, you will be redirected to chat page. Number 8. Adding chat shortcut to home screen. On hitting the 3 dots of specific contact, you can see the more options. Hit on the add shortcut, then you will have a shortcut on the home page. From here, you can quickly access to the chat. Number 7. Enter is send. Come to chat settings and hit on the enter is send. On hitting this, your keyboard enter button will be converted to send option. You can send the messages on hitting the enter button. Here I am giving the reply to this guy. I am done with my reply. I hit the send button so that it will directly send the message. Number 6. Sending live location. Choose the contact for whom you want to send the live location. Hit on the pin shaped icon which is located on the reply section. Come to location tab and hit on the share live location. You can set timer as per your wish. You can set it to 1 hour, 15 minutes or 8 hours. You can also add a comment to your live location. That's it. Our live location is sent. Number 5. Clearing chat data. Come to data and storage usage settings. Here click on the storage usage. You can see which contact used how much amount of data in your storage. To delete data of a particular contact, we need to hit on that contact. Here click on the free up space. You can delete chat data as per your wish. On hitting clear messages, the whole data of that contact will be wiped out. Number 4. Wiping out. Seriously, this trick will wipe out all the data of your WhatsApp. If you really want to do, then you need to come to chat settings and then chat history. Here clearing all chat means it will clear only the data inside the contacts. Deleting all chat means it will wipe out all the data and the WhatsApp will look as a newly opened WhatsApp. You can also achieve all your chat in the WhatsApp. Number 3. Group message info. When you send any message in a group and you want to know how many people viewed that message, then hold message for a second and hit on the 3 dots and then info. Here you can see that WhatsApp shows the contacts who viewed the message in blue mark and the contacts for whom the message is delivered is shown like this. Number 2. How to read WhatsApp deleted messages. For this, you need to install an app from the Play Store named as Anti-Delete. This will show you the messages which are deleted from now, and this will not give you any type of data from your past. I am giving the link of this app in the description. Here the normal scan is being conducted by my UI and then it will open the app. For running application, it requires some sort of permissions from you. You can think this as initial permissions asked by each and every kind of app. Let me to check the performance of this app. I am using the second device for sending the message. And the message is deleted by him. When I come to see the message is already deleted by the sender. When you face this kind of problem, use anti-delete. It will remember all the messages which are received. It will also record the time, date and the person who sent the message. Number 1. Auto reply. For auto replying to your message, you need to install autoresponder from the Play Store. If you want pro version of autoresponder, I have a separate video in my channel and I am leaving the link in the description. When you manage to install the app after watching my video, open the app, and the app needs some sort of rules for giving auto reply, and the rules are given by hitting the plus icon in the app. Here you need to give for what kind of messages the app must respond, and here you need to give the reply to the messages which are received by your device. Here you can also delay the message as per your wish. Generally, the app will take 1 second for giving the reply. Receiver may be individual, group or both. If you don't want to give reply to group messages, leave it to individual. You can also select specific contacts for whom the reply must be given, or you can also ignore some kind of contacts from your contact list. That's it. Now we can complete the rule. I am using second device for sending the messages. When he sent the message, he got the reply without my interference. Let me to open WhatsApp for more clearance. You can look here that it sends the message within a second. But when we are in the chat page, then the app will not respond to any kind of messages received by that contact. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for this video guys. Let me see you in my next video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel. Thank you. Also consider by watching these videos of our channel.